Today, we're inside one of Ireland's most breathtaking coastal homes, a place where raw ocean meets cutting-edge design. From cliffs carved by time to panoramic views that stretch across the Atlantic, this is coastal architecture elevated to masterpiece level. This isn't just a house, it's a testament to how architecture can honor its landscape, challenge tradition, and redefine modern coastal living. Welcome to inside one of Ireland's most stunning coastal homes, an award-winning architect's tour of what might be Ireland's most incredible seafront residence in 2025. The Home and Architect. Perched on a dramatic coastal site in County Kerry, known for its towering sea cliffs and iconic views, this property is a celebration of place. Its design captures both the power of the Atlantic and the quiet poetry of Ireland's western edge. The Irish Examiner. But unlike a traditional seaside cottage, this home was conceived from the ground up to blend architecture with nature. Every angle, material, and space was chosen to honor its surroundings. Today, we're joined by the award-winning architect who brought this vision to life. From the sweeping public spaces to the most intimate private corners, we're about to see how this home achieves balance between shelter and exposure, art and utility, calm and drama. Architect greeting host at entrance. From the beginning, our intention was simple. Let the landscape guide the design. This site demanded views, but also respect for the wind, the light, and the ancient cliffs that give it character. Entry and exterior design. Right from the approach, there's a sense of arrival, not just at a home, but at a threshold between land and sea. The structure almost seems to grow from the rock itself, textured stone that feels as ancient as the coast, paired with glass that amplifies the views. Large overhangs and cantilevers provide shelter from the Atlantic winds, while clerestory windows invite light deep into the heart of the house. We worked with local masons to ensure the stone matched the geology of the site, not just visually, but materially. The idea was to let the house anchor itself in place, harmonizing with the land rather than imposing on it. Living spaces, open plan magic. Now we step inside what might be the iconic space of the house, the living area. Floor-to-ceiling glazing faces due west, giving absolutely uninterrupted views of the Atlantic. What's remarkable here isn't just space, it's connection. When you're in this room, you don't just see the ocean, you feel it. The curves of the windows, the warm timber floors, the minimalist palette, nothing here competes with the seascape. Instead, everything frames it. With open-plan living and dining joined without barriers, every seat is a front-row view of Ireland's dramatic coastline. We wanted to celebrate light, not just views. The way the sun travels here, how it diffuses through clouds and sea mist, was a core driver of this layout. Kitchen and entertainment spaces. Move over to the kitchen, and you'll notice it's anything but an afterthought. Here, even the act of making coffee becomes a cinematic moment, with the Atlantic framed like a living painting beyond the sink. This space was designed for both intimate family mornings and large gatherings, with generous circulation and direct access to outdoor dining areas. We oriented the cooking and entertainment areas so that guests always have sightlines to the water. The kitchen isn't isolated, it's integrated into the rhythm of the home. Private spaces, bedroom suites. Upstairs, the private quarters are sanctuaries in their own right. Each suite offers unfiltered panoramas of the sea, a constant reminder of where you are. What's notable here is the thoughtful restraint. Soft tones, natural materials, and minimal ornamentation ensure that the scenery remains the focal point, not furniture or fixtures. We wanted these spaces to feel like they belonged to the coastline, not imposed on it. Everything is intentional: views, ventilation, and privacy. Outdoor living, terraces, and landscaping. Outside, the home expands into a series of outdoor rooms,
terraces, shaded nooks, and panoramic balconies that bring you ever closer to ocean life. You can feel the spray on your face, hear the crashing waves below, and watch seabirds wheel against the sky, all without leaving the comfort of these spaces. We retained as much of the native flora as possible, coastal grasses, rocky outcrops, hardy shrubs, so that the transition from built to wild feels seamless. Sustainability and technology. This home isn't just about beauty, it's about performance. Its orientation and glazing maximize passive solar gain, while thermal insulation and advanced mechanical systems keep it comfortable year-round. Sustainable choices here aren't afterthoughts, they're part of the lived experience. Architect. At this site, you have to respect the elements. We harness the wind, the light, and even the salt air, designing systems that work with the environment, not against it. Final thoughts: why this home matters. What makes this home truly special isn't just its jaw-dropping views or its architectural pedigree, it's the way it feels, intimate yet expansive, modern yet timeless, bold yet respectful of its landscape. In a place where the raw forces of nature shape every moment, this house doesn't resist, it celebrates. It invites you to breathe, to wonder, and to feel at home in one of the wildest corners of Ireland. If you enjoyed this tour inside one of Ireland's most remarkable coastal homes, like this video, subscribe for more architectural journeys, and let us know in the comments what part of this house amazed you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.